Welcome to Château de Chillon, Switzerland's most enchanting castle, perched on the serene shores of Lake Geneva. This winter, immerse yourself in a magical blend of history, culture, and holiday cheer. Step inside this medieval fortress and uncover over 1,000 years of history. Wander through ancient halls, climb spiral staircases, and marvel at the stunning views from the ramparts. During the holiday season, the castle transforms into a winter wonderland, hosting special events like medieval Christmas markets and storytelling sessions by the fire. Perfect for families and history buffs alike. Just outside the castle, Lake Geneva's winter beauty awaits. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, where the snow-capped Alps create a breathtaking backdrop. For a unique experience, hop aboard a festive boat cruise, glide across the lake as you sip on Swiss specialties, and soak in the panoramic views. Don't miss the Montreux Christmas market nearby, one of the best in Europe. It's a perfect spot to shop for gifts, try traditional Swiss fondue, and enjoy holiday performances. Pro tip: visit at sunset for unforgettable views of the castle and lake bathed in golden light. It's the perfect photo opportunity to capture your Swiss holiday memories. This holiday season, let Château de Chillon and Lake Geneva transport you to a world of winter magic. It's a destination that promises unforgettable moments for everyone. Ready to add some Swiss sparkle to your holiday? Like, subscribe, and share to inspire your next winter adventure.